This morning they are finishing up the custom Swiss Chalet and they are working on the Hungry Horse. I decided to get some video from the area of the office because when I go down there it's so noisy. And let's walk down there, get a close-up of what's happening, and I'll see if I can talk. But looks like they got 3 more rows left on the ground that they're taking apart. And this morning it's raining. Looks like our winter is over. This is the 1st of February and it's raining. So Jesse, what can you tell us about what you're doing right here?
So I'm scribing in a stairway, scribing in the treads here. This tread right here fit right into there, right into those notches there, make a perfect fit. So yeah.
This half round cut is made to fit the half round stair treads in. Let me go and see what it looks like. This is a half round stair. Normally they are square. Is that ready to put in there? Not quite. So this is a half round option. It's a half log rounded or natural round, hand peeled. And normally it's a square tread. Now the exterior stairway on this Hungry Horse is square tread. I think like a 3x11. Let's go up this. These are all screwed together one piece. This is the exterior balcony. Then you'll be able to walk in the door into the loft bedroom. Andrew over there is getting the sunburst truss completed that goes out over the front porch. And that is the front porch from there all the way to there. So that's the Hungry Horse. Let's have a look at the Swiss Chalet down there. What's left of it. Because they're taking it apart where it was constructed over there and picking things up with a crane, putting them over in these bundles. Let's have a walk down there and look at that. While I'm walking down, I'll share with what's going on out there. Those are log homes stacked, ready for shipment. You can see the rain. Don't worry, the logs are protected. And even the ends that stick out, the rain doesn't hurt them. It takes a lot more rain than this to hurt the logs. So most homes will get some rain, some weather on them before they're erected. Don't worry, look at this log. They are extremely strong, tough. This can take a lot of water, a lot of long-term moisture to damage it. So there's not a problem when they get a little bit wet. But we protect them the best that we can, like with those packages. So that is a silver wolf ready to be shipped out to a building site. And there are 6 or 8 other homes and cabins and pavilions stacked here that we build throughout the winter to be shipped out soon and in the spring. And so it's February and it looks like springtime is here. What's happening out there is these boys are peeling the logs, and this year we hope to put a big building over that area so they don't have to work in the rain, snow, and in the sun. And that's our maintenance building over there where we maintain all of our equipment. So let's have a walk around. These are logs, looks like ready to go into a top story of the Hungry Horse. That's our kiln where we dry a few things like stair treads and stuff. So this is where they're bundling up the Swiss Chalet. Every log is numbered and put together in bundles like this, wrapped and banded with metal banding, and then the banding is put over the top of the plastic wrap. This is a special lumber wrap made for protecting wooden bundles of lumber and logs from the moisture. So here is where they prepare the logs for stacking and moving off out of the building for the log home to be delivered. So there's a package of roof beams. These are all notches that go into the wall. Actually, that's a stair. That would be a stair where the stairway attaches. So this is a loft joist. Okay, let's see what we got. Nice big logs here. And this is the bottom floor being taken apart. What are the dimensions of this Swiss Chalet?
30 by 32 thick. I think it's 30 foot wide, 32 foot long.
30 by 32?
No, 30 by 36.
30 by 36? Do you know the square footage of it?
Look real quick here.
He's going to give us dimensions and the square footage of it. So the customer requested an enlarged version of the Swiss Chalet. Now here's the last of the stairway that's as it's being dismantled. This is your timber stair for the bottom, a timber platform, and then the other stair has been dismantled, goes up like that. This small portion is in one piece. The top portion is in one piece. So are you starting to do landings like that now?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna.
So we're starting to transition into thick timber landings, which is this area right here, where the stair goes up a few treads. You land on there, you turn and go up with the long stair. So the landing is timber. That's awesome. We just started doing that.
That's 1,720 square feet, 30 by 34. So it's 30 foot wide, 34 feet long. So it's, I think it's 2 feet wider than a standard Swiss Chalet. So a little bit more space. And this one has the larger logs as well.
So you can customize one of our plans for your size and whatever features you want. They're very customizable. So here you can see the outlets that we cut for you with a big hole drilled in with this big drill. And the wiring will come up from the floor up to this hole. and then into the plug-in outlet right there. And those are placed all around the house to code. There's a building code that says the electrical outlets need to be placed at the correct intervals. And there's one that's still not cut, but you'll see one there and there. And sometimes you won't see one because maybe there's a counter or a bathroom vanity there. You won't see one, but in the end, all of the floor plans will show all of the electrical wiring designed and put into code. There's one. All of the logs are drilled for your electrical outlets and switches. There's going to be one. There's going to be one. These guys are good at what they do. Let's see what Isaac is doing today. What are you doing, Isaac?
I am putting in a 3-gang and a 4-gang box for the house you're just looking at. So over on the archway, there's going to be, actually, yeah, double check. I'm trying to think where this is going. I think it's 7 gangs up here on the front. So it's going to be right by the front door. So if you go in, you'll have a bunch of switches there.
Bunch of switches. Are you getting ready to cut that? A little while yet?
But I went ahead and I cut this one just now back here. And then we've got another one that's been cut back here. So we've got 2 there.
Here's a switch box, which is wider. 3 or 4 switches wide.
And then the other one's further down here. So
there's one right there on the log. There's the upper stairway. All right, well, that gives you an idea of what they're doing today, wrapping up this home completely, probably by tonight. And it looks like they're about ready to dismantle the Hungry Horse over there, so a lot of things going on. Well, this is a nice plank here. A couple days ago, there was a little pavilion here. I didn't catch the rest of it. They got it all dismantled before I got a video of it. I did get a little bit of it when it was being put together, but I'll have to ask Jalon if he took some video of it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's gonna be it for this one, and maybe I can get some more video of the Hungry Horse once the upstairs is being built. So some of these videos will run together because there are 2 or 3 different models being built at the same time, so I might post them on the website at the different locations. All right, thank you so much for watching, everyone. God bless.